Hello again. Okay, so this is section 1.3, but before I get into that, I'm going to go back to 1.2 for the family signs and include some stuff that I missed. So the first sign is going to be family. Family. That's one. I think that's all I wanted to include. Okay, so 1.3 is about time. So let's get into that. Time. Now we're going to do hour, minute, second. Hour, minute, second. Very fast. Second. If you want to ask what time is it, you put your eyebrows down and do what time is it? What time is it? In ASL, there are rules for time. So if you're talking about the past, it's going to be motions that go backwards. If you're talking about the present, it's all very close to the body. If you're talking about the future, it's ahead of you. So let's do future. Future. So if we were to say, like, I'm going to call you later, or I'm going to go to the store later, you could say, I'm going to the store in the future. This is also the sign for will. So, I go to the store, I will. So we did hour, minute, second. Really fast. Let's do the time. So like 12 o'clock, 1 o'clock, that. So if you're just doing o'clock, you tap it on your wrist. So 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock. And after 5, you have to do time, 6 o'clock. Time, 7 o'clock. Time, 8 o'clock. Time, 9 o'clock. Time, 10 o'clock. Time, 11 o'clock. See how 11 is not like 1? 1 is out, 11 is in, palm facing towards you, 1, 2. And then 12, depending on what time it is, you can say it's 12 o'clock at night, 12 o'clock in the during the day, 12 o'clock noon, or 12 o'clock midnight. 12 o'clock. Time, 12 o'clock. Alright. And let's do, like, not days of the week, but, like, timing. So, today is right in front of you, so it's in the present. Tomorrow. See how it goes in front of you? That's the future. Yesterday. It goes in the back, towards the back. And this is the sign for past. 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 It's also the sign for before. So like, I had dinner before. Before. What else? Let's do the like month. So 1 month, 2 month, 3 month, 4 month, 5 month. See the 6? 6 month, 7th month, 8th month, 9th month, 10 months. If you want to say we will have a meeting a month in the future, you have to say month future, or you make the sign and you move it forward 1 month ahead. 1 month ahead. If you want to say last month, then you have to do last month. Now let's do week. 1 week. 1 week. You can also do 2 weeks, 3 weeks, 4 weeks, 5 weeks, 6 weeks, 7 weeks, 8 weeks, 9 weeks, 10 weeks, 11 weeks, all that. So on and so forth. Month, year. So let's do year. 1 year. 1 year. You can also do 1 year. 1 year. Year. And you can go up till 5. So 2 year, 3 year, 4 year, 5 year, 6 year, 7 year, on and on. If you want to say next year, you go year in the future. So year 1, 2 years in the future, 3 years, 4 years, 5 years, 6 years future. If you want to say last year, you could do year past. You could do pound 1, last year. I have also seen last year, 2 years ago, 3 years ago, 4 years ago, 5 years ago, and that's it. So if you want to say every year, like I go camping every year, you would say every year. Every year. Or you can say every year. So annually. Every 2 years. Every 2 years.